G'day there. Arnie here again from Arnie's Shack. And this is Bible Buddies. Great to have you and your family back as we investigate and discover more about our amazing God and how much He loves us all. Henry wants to buy a video game, so he is going to do some chores for Mr. O'Malley to earn some money. I hope Henry pays attention to Mr. O'Malley.
Good morning, Mr. O'Malley. I asked Dad if I could help you around the yard to save for the game, and he said yes.
That's wonderful, lad.
I know how to use a lawnmower.
Now steady on now, lad. Not all lawn mowers are the same.
Yeah, you prime it, you stick on the choke, and then you stick it in drive.
Well, that might be the way you do it with your father's machine, laddie, but not with mine. Now, please pay attention.
Lawnmowers are all the same. I don't know what he's talking about. I just want to hurry up and finish and get my money and go get jibba jabba.
Right? And that's why you need to have it on number 3 setting. Otherwise, what's going to happen is the machine will...
Man, jibba jabba is gonna be so cool on my 4K surround sound TV, and I'll invite all my friends for sleepover, and they can play or watch me.
And that's why you need to keep a sharp eye out for that.
Yep, sharp eye out for that.
What have you done, boyo?
I don't know what happened. Did I break your machine?
Well, maybe you have, laddie. What did I tell you about going too fast and having the setting on level 3 and then keeping a sharp eye out for the longer grass along the fence line?
I don't remember.
You weren't paying attention or listening, were you?
No, sir.
Oh, listen, do you want to make some money to buy your game?
Yes, but I suppose you don't want me to do these jobs because I didn't listen.
No, that's not it at all. Remember how I told you that God does things patiently, with care and with love. When you see how care and determination plus patience goes into doing something, you appreciate it more. Good things come to those who wait.
Oh, I remember that.
All right then. Well, God is patient with me, with you, with everybody. God doesn't want anyone to suffer, but He wants to enjoy eternal life with them. All the best things forever. So, I'm going to be patient with you, and in turn, I need you to be patient doing this work. Is that a deal?
Yes, sir, Mr. O'Malley. That's a deal. Could you please explain what I need to do again? And this time, I promise to be patient and pay attention.
Okay then, boyo. Take the latch there and lift it up to level 3. Good. That's the way.
Well, it sure is nice to see Mr. O'Malley being patient with Henry. Romans 5, 3-4. And we also have joy with our troubles because we know that these troubles produce patience. And patience produces character. And character produces hope. Anyway, our time is up for today. But I will look forward to catching up with all of you again next time on Bible Buddies. So take care, stay safe, and God bless.
Learn about our wonderful God each day.
Stop and learn. Hey, stop.